Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am M. Muhammad Amar of class 6. I am from Safa Matriculation School. Kamarajar was a great Indian independence activist and politician. Kamarajar was born on 15th July 1903 in Vidnagar, a district of Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar, Kamarajar parent were Kumaraswamy Nadar and Shivagami Ammal. Kamarajar considered Gandhiji as his political ideal. Kamarajar served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963. Kamarajar opened many schools, dams, and introduced mega industries in Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar elected as the President of Indian National Congress in 1963. Kamarajar introduced free education and free midday meal schemes in all government schools. Um, Government of Kamarajar is called as Golden Period of Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar died on 2nd October 1975, aged 72 in Chennai. Thank you.